Hey everybody, welcome back to HeatMyShorts. So, Lady Shorts is working an evening shift again this evening. Not quite finished work as late as yesterday, but I expect she'll be home in a few hours. So I wanted to get one more video out before she got home to kind of get caught up on some of the hot peppers that I want to eat. This one I'm a little bit nervous about. I have eaten this variety of pepper before last year, but it was nowhere near this size. So, I'll tell you a little bit about what we have here. I'll show you what we have. This is a Chocolate Bhutlah pepper grown in our garden. It is a nasty looking pepper. It's kind of got like a hole that doesn't go anywhere. It looks like it's a void, but it's just kind of like a belly button sort of a thing there. This pepper has been sitting a little bit longer than I wanted it to. You can see the stem is starting to shrivel up there. So I am expecting there to be some seeds in here that are not prime anymore, so I might be removing some seeds from this. But first I'm going to tell you a little bit about what the Chocolate Bhutlah is. Oh, there's a Meggie hair on it now. The Chocolate Bhutlah is a cross between a 7-pot Douglas and a Boot Jalokia, or a ghost pepper. Now, these, I don't think they ever have been tested by Guinness or anything like that. Some say that it's hotter than the Reaper. I think I tend to agree, possibly maybe because it's so much bigger and very close to the same Scoville heat unit rating as the Reaper. These typically top out at 2 million Scoville heat units. I believe the Reaper tops out at either 2.4 or 2.2 million, so this is just slightly lower. But they say that the chocolate pods burn harder. They burn hotter and faster, and I believe that. I've eaten enough orange habaneros and yellow habaneros and a couple red habaneros, and it seems like the, and chocolate ones, and it seems like the chocolate ones are way hotter. Actually, they measure way hotter on the Scoville scale, but I'm going to take a seat at the table behind me, cut this thing open, and then we'll come back up to the camera, show you what the inside of it looks like, and go from there. Oh, actually, one other thing I wanted to show you. I have a picture of last year's. There it is. Now there's my knife, so you can kind of get an idea of how small that pepper is there. Substantially bigger, like humongous, like 6 times the size. I'm not even sure, but yeah, I'm stoked. That was actually on my Instagram account that I just went back and took a screenshot of it. So let us cut this open and get this show on the road. Hope you're all having a great day today, a great evening. There we go. I'm really hoping this pepper is still in good condition. Another Maggie hair. Whew, that smells very earthy. Now, I actually really like the flavor of chocolate pods. I'm definitely going to need to... Oh, it looks great. It is in great condition in there. Oh, I accidentally broke it right in half. I'm definitely going to need to take some pictures of this because it's a beautiful pepper. Might even, I hope you don't mind, but I'm going to need to take a couple pictures of this one. And I'm also stalling, of course. Of course I am stalling. But I also really just want to, I'm going to knock the seed out of there. There's a seed in there. There we go. There we go. My apology for the delay here. Once it's eaten, it's gone, right? And then I can't take any more pictures of it. Even actually, I thought the blade was quite oily, but it's not too bad. I will be posting that picture to my Instagram, of course. My Instagram account is HeatMyShorts with periods in between it instead of spaces. HeatMyShorts with an H, you know, same as this channel. So I'll show you the inside of this pepper. Lots of placenta in there. The spongy, what's normally white, but is actually yellow on this pepper. Very gnarly looking pepper, for sure. I wonder, no, that won't work. That's okay. I can show you this, and I can definitely share those. Well, I'll just share one picture. I'll pick the best one and share that one to Instagram. I'm a little bit nervous about this. These are hot, and this is a good sized pepper. I didn't weigh this pepper, but that's okay. My scale's nowhere near, and we're just gonna get into it. This could get ugly. My tolerance is down right now. Tolerance is definitely low, and I think that is going to show on this video because I got lit up from a Bulgarian carrot pepper last night. I'm gonna have a seat. Maggie's dreaming. Maggie's laying right here having dreams. Okay. And that is enough stalling. I'm going to eat this pepper now. So, this is our first homegrown Chocolate Bhutlah pepper of the year. Yeah, grown from our garden. Biggest Chocolate Bhutlah I've ever eaten, by far. HeatMyShorts. I love you all. Thank you so much for being a part of this. Did you hear that crack? That was my jaw. Cheers. Okay. Wow. That was a good sized pod. Okay. It's building, and it's building fast. I'm at a 4 out of 10 right now. I can feel the sweat starting everywhere. My gums are already throbbing. Absolutely pulsating. My throat is ripping with heat. I'm starting to sweat like in my eyes now. Oh wow. That is a hot pepper. I'm at a 5 now. Still climbing, for sure. Wow. Just get the dog over here. Come here, Max. Come here. Come. Come. Wow. I'm at a 6. Come here. Good girl. Tongue burn, throat burn, roof of my mouth. It's everywhere. I can feel it down in my throat now. Wow. I can feel it around my lips now. Kind of like on the outside of my mouth almost. I feel it in my ears now. That's it, eh? Okay, bye Maggie. I'm at a 6 and I feel like it's still climbing. Quite a bit of sweat all over my face now. Wow. Okay. Quite a bit of sweat. Ugh. Wow. There's a stainless steel bowl full of tomatoes. It's rattling from a train going by. It's stopped now. It might have leveled off at a 6. Either that, where am I with I'm not even sure where I am on my heat scale right now. Wow. I'm trying to determine whether that was an endorphin rush and it's dropped, or if it's peaked and I'm still at a 6. I don't know. No, I don't think that's an endorphin rush. Still at a 6. Eyes are getting really glossy now. I can feel it. That's the hottest pepper I've ever eaten. I think it's hotter than a Reaper. I really do. A little fungus gnat buzzing around. Yeah, come land in my mouth. See how you like that? Probably die instantly. I missed. That is a hot pepper, my friends. Tiny bit of that perfumey, flowery, floral, almost got it, taste. A lot of earthy, a good amount of sweetness. Oh, there goes a tear. A whole lot of heat. Instant heat. Not quite instant heat, almost instant heat. And, scorching heat. This little bug. But I'd say it's declining now. I say I'm at a 5 now. So it's a forehead sweat. It definitely got my ears burning. I thought I was about to get an endorphin rush. But it did not happen. I don't think. Maybe a tiny one. Pepper burp. Pardon me. That tasted like chocolate Bhutlah. Hot pod, for sure. Honestly, one of my very favorite peppers. I love chocolate pods. I love ghost peppers. I love Superhots. I love a good burn. And That pepper has all of those qualities, as long as it doesn't have a lot of the floral flavor to it. Everything else I can tolerate, and even just like some of that floral perfumey taste mixed in with all those other flavors, some sweetness and even a little bit of bitterness isn't so bad. The earthy flavor, I actually really dig that. Go away, fly. So anyways, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Feeling really good now. Down to a 4 now, I think. It's mostly just tip of my tongue sting and a little bit down my throat. I don't even think I'll get cap cramps from this. I shouldn't have said that. Now that I said that, I'll probably get them. But as of right now, it doesn't feel like it. Feeling really good. Guess my tolerance isn't as bad as I thought it was. So anyways, I hope you all have a great evening. I'm so stoked on this pepper. I guess now I can show you a comparison. Yeah, there's the one that I just ate. There's the one from last year. Quite a difference. That thing is... That's a good sized pepper. Not bad, eh? Not bad for an amateur grower. I forget if this is my 3rd year growing peppers. I have some excellent help in the family and in the household. Mega thanks to HeatMyShorts and to a lot of the people in the pepper community. A lot of tips and tricks handed around and a lot of hints, a lot of help. That's what it's all about. That's what life should be all about. Is don't compete with everyone around you. Should be building each other up, helping each other learn, passing on your knowledge, passing on what you know, your failures, your successes. Yeah, help each other out. Don't hoard your knowledge. Share it so that we can all be better. Right? That's my knowledge for the day. That's my wisdom for the day. My words of wisdom. Pardon me. Oh, another thing that I want to mention is the chocolate... Oh, spat a little bit when I talked there. Sorry about that. My mouth is creating a lot of saliva because I'm so spicy, so my apology. I even just saw that on the screen, so no doubt you're going to see that on the video. Just the way it goes. One day I'm going to get sick on a video, and I'm going to post it anyway, so I will leave when that happens, when that day happens, I will leave a warning in the title of the video that there's a vomit alert or whatever, but not yet. Been rocking it so far. Knock on wood. I'm not superstitious, but that seems like a good time to practice it anyways. Right, I got sidetracked there. The Chocolate Bhutlah pepper is actually the pepper that is in... It may have been the first hot sauce that I ever reviewed on this channel. Pucker Butt Pepper Company's Chocolate Plague hot sauce, which is essentially just chocolate Bhutlah pepper mash. Pardon me, another pepper burp there. I feel like I'm down to like a 1 or 2 out of 10 now, so feeling really good. A little bit of a sting around my eyes from the capsaicin sweating out. I like that. That's awesome. That's how you know you ate something really spicy. I'm gonna wrap the video up here. Coming up on 19 minutes now. Pardon me. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. It's gonna be in one of these corners right here, our channel logo, so that you can just hit that subscribe button right away. And then up in one of these corners, I'm gonna throw some relevant playlists and videos for you to move along to from this video. So, have a great evening. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out with me and Maggie here. Maggie, very briefly, she's being antisocial. She's on her couch again. But she appreciates you all, of course. You know she does. And of course I do too, and HeatMyShorts does as well. We love you all. Thank you so much for all of your love and support and encouragement. It means the world to us. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Making videos every day, and I'm loving every one of them. Loving every one of you as well. hang out with you again soon. Bye-bye.